Okay, here guys, I want to show you this. This is going back to my miracle snowplow again. Okay, it's homemade contraption, got light on it and a whole bit. I'm just going to show you how easy this thing is to hook up. It's getting windy out, it's getting nasty out, so I'm going to show you what we do here. Inside this thing, I just leave all year round. I leave an ordinary cable. And it gets strength off this. It's just tied into this section and this section. Okay, this side is sick. It's got to go on. This goes out there. Okay, and all that I do is I have these ropes here. Okay, I just feed these through, just so on the bottom, so that it's not actually touching the grill much. Okay, it just goes through there. You time me how long this takes. How long this takes to put this on. Okay, this is just tied on. I got enough rope here. No, there's some. Okay, I put about 2 in each side. You don't really need 4, but I put them in anyway. Okay. Slides through there. I got stuck. Okay, put this one over there. So you gotta put it underneath any parts of the grill where all this is gonna do is just hold up weight. It's not doing anything else but just holding up the back of the plow. Under pressure, it's not pushing against these ropes. The only time you get any pull on these ropes is when you're back dragging and you let it down on the ground. When you're back dragging, okay? I'll just put 4 here. Okay, that's it basically for there. You don't have to, but I put extra pieces of sponge in there. Like I've been pushing with this for like 5 years. And I have scratched it up a little bit, dinged it up, but lots of times I didn't put tags on. Okay. So this thing just up here. I just put extra sponge in here, just big measure. Extra sponge. First one, that's okay. Extra sponge. There's hardly anything for weight to this thing. Okay? Goes up, sits up against that bumper. These ropes, where are we here? There's the other end of it. Okay, there's that end of that rope. A little bit higher. Okay. It may sound stupid. It almost sounds crazy how you're just tying a plow on there. And it's working. Okay, I put box knots in here. Like I say, even if you lost one of these ropes or whatever, it's going to still stay with the bang. Okay, this one, which side is this one on? Okay. This one will go to the outside. Now you don't tie it in a regular knot. You put a loop knot in here, and then you put a box knot, so it comes down. That just tightens right there. Put a box knot. 2 box knots, or 3, whatever you want. This thing will it'll adjust itself while you're driving too. Okay, and tie this other one up. See, it's just a loop. You go through, and you pull it down, it's tight, and then you put a box knot. I can show you how to do these box knots after, but any Boy Scout will know how to do that. Now, listen here. this too. You're down. Okay. Box knot. Box knot. Two, doesn't matter. There, push this thing down. Here you got the controller. Plastic. Weather will affect that. You can take them off in the summer. It's all right. See, now I got this. Actually, this is for your cables for your power, and this is for your flashing light. Okay, so all I do now is I take this over here and I put this through the window. Bring this up here. Take this box, put this out of here. Okay, so you got your controller. That's all you got. And you got these wires attached there. This controller goes through the door and sits on your dash. That's all that does. I'm going to put that in there right now. Move the CV a little bit. Okay. That's on the dash. This wire is just coming here. Okay. Red. Positive. Battery, black to negative, the green to positive again. You can put all these together if you wanted to, but no, couldn't do it. So, let's put that in there. So now the light should work. Ah, there it goes. Okay. Light goes on there. I got a switch under here that I can turn it off if I want when I'm not plowing. Okay, this cable. Okay, I don't have enough of it out, so I'm gonna have to pull a button. Like I'm doing this totally unprepared. Okay. Comes out there like that. Just hooks on this cable, okay? As it pulls in. Sorry, going the wrong way. Okay, and you're ready to go. That's the whole. I can leave this on there for the whole winter if I want. Get a few extra ropes I better put in there because people want me to build more of these things. Let's send this board, but that's it. Now this thing, I put it back through the window. My hands are cold. Oh. So what I'm doing, I got my glasses on. Sorry. There. Okay. Let's put it back in the window. Let's put it back under the hood. And that's it. And you're ready to go. I think I'm recording still. Okay. See? Just close the hood. So what did that take me? Maximum 5 minutes. Maximum 5 minutes, and you can run this, leave this on there all winter if you want, or take it off. No big deal, but yeah, that's as simple as it gets. Push the snow like crazy, as you see from my other videos. I got one button up, one button down. Extremely simple. Okay. And so you don't have to take your light off when you parked it someplace. There's just a switch under here. Shut her off, and you're good to go. Anyway, thanks for watching my miracle snowplow. Thank you.